Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix unable to connect to the Xbox network in the Monster Hunter. So our first method is that you have to just open a website which is named as down detector. Basically we have to just check that if the server of the Monster Hunter is down, then you have to just wait for some time. And after some time your problem will be fixed automatically. If not, then you have to just move to the next step, which is that you have to just change your router of internet connection. If you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it disable. For this, just right click on your internet and then click on the open network and the internet setting, and then you will find here the step of the interface. Just scroll down and then click on the change adapter settings option. After doing so, you have to just right click on the Wi-Fi and then click on the disable. After 4 to 5 minutes, you have to just again enable it and then check if your problem is resolved or not. If not, then you have to just move to the third step, which is to restart your device one time. After restarting your device, maybe your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just move to the next step. You have to just open your browser, like I am using Chrome browser, and search here for the super VPN and then search it and open the first website. After doing so, you have to just download the super VPN and connect it to your device. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.